Hey there, I'm Sadie.
And I'm Chris, and we're Fork and Path, and we're here to help you get confident in the kitchen.
Today we have a fun activity we're doing. So we're testing out some cocktail recipes for a Halloween movie marathon.
So we wanted to do an It-themed marathon this year. I'm a huge Stephen King fan, and Sadie doesn't like horror movies at all. So once a year, I get my way and we get to watch horror movies. So this Halloween, we're doing It 1 and It 2 back to back. So Sadie's idea was to do some It-inspired cocktails.
Because I need a couple drinks to get me through the movies, is what I'm thinking.
No judgment.
So we have 3 different cocktail recipes that we're testing today. We're gonna make them and then decide which one's our favorite and which one we're actually gonna do on Halloween. So let's jump into it.
So the first cocktail that we're going to try today actually comes to us by way of John Walter of the Outlier bar in Seattle. He did an inspired cocktail called the Georgie, which is 2 types of rum, spiced and blackstrap rum. And then it's orange juice, pineapple juice, finished with a little bit of nutmeg and a red lollipop for a balloon. Great idea.
I'm excited for the lollipop.
Let's get to it. We recommend a lollipop with a longer stem is what we're learning from this. All right, so here we have the Georgie all mixed up, looking great. Our lollipop is somewhere inside the drink right now. This is normally served in a Collins glass, which unfortunately we just didn't have one. So this one's a lot taller, but if you want it to look right, you might want to find a lollipop with an extra long stem.
Yes.
But it's in there.
It is.
Take a sip, Sadie. Tell us what you think.
Ooh, that rum is on top.
Yeah.
That's really good. It's very aromatic and sweet. It's actually a lot more tropical than I would expect for a Halloween drink.
Yeah, that is. It's very, the pineapple juice and the orange juice and the rum come together really nicely. Get a little nutmeg burst on there.
Yeah.
But with Sadie, not too sweet, balanced well. I like it. That's a fun one. That is definitely a candidate.
Yeah, I like that one.
All right, let's go on to number 2.
So the next cocktail we're making is called the Dancing Clown, and it is from cocktailchap.com. This one sounds delicious. It's bourbon, lemon juice, some buttered popcorn simple syrup, and maraschino cherry juice. Little hack on the buttered popcorn simple syrup, that's not something you can just find, or at least we couldn't find it anywhere near us. So what we just did was actually get butter popcorn flavored oil, like a candy oil from Loran Oils, and mixed it in with a bit of simple syrup.
And a trick, if you don't have simple syrup, or if you don't have time to make simple syrup at home, if you have some agave, you can just use that instead. Agave tends to have a little more flavor than just a simple syrup, but in a beverage that's going to be mixed with something like bourbon and cherry juice, you're really not going to notice the difference. So just an easy way to use what you have on hand.
One thing to note too, this cocktail originally is supposed to come with some cotton candy on top. We decided to skip that. But it does make a cool topper for it. It definitely looks like a little clown.
We recommend doing it. We just, well, honestly, we forgot it and didn't feel like going back to the grocery store. So,
oops.
Anyway, let's get to it.
Yes.
All right, well there we have the Dancing Clown. We learned a couple things about this drink and making it. Really, probably recommend a heavier syrup, like a classic maraschino cherry is probably not gonna cut it, but more of like a Luxardo cherry. I think that syrup would have done much better. It's a lot thicker. I think it would have clung to the side a little bit better, and let's find out.
That is a unique cocktail. I've never had one that tasted like that before. I don't dislike it.
Huh.
I don't even taste the buttered popcorn syrup though, I'm surprised.
The buttered popcorn syrup definitely comes across as more of an aroma. Like you can smell it when you go to drink it, but you don't taste it as much. I think it gets lost a bit in the lemon juice there. But overall, that's still a really fun, playful drink. That's an Instagram aesthetic right there.
Yes,
that's
absolutely.
For sure. Awesome. Well, that's 2 down. Now we're on to our last one.
Yep.
Let's do it. All right, so our third and final cocktail tonight comes from Urban Village Brewing Company in Philadelphia. It's a straightforward concoction of apple cider, rye whiskey, pumpkin ale, cinnamon, and lemon zest.
And for the pumpkin ale, we chose Four Noses Pump Action. Four Noses is one of our favorite breweries here in the Denver metro area, and their pump action is fantastic.
Agreed. Let's do this.
Yeah.
gotta say, that's a gorgeous drink. I mean, that one was super easy. That took maybe 3 minutes total.
That was a simple one. I think the easiest one to make so far.
And pretty.
It is pretty. Ooh, I like that one.
Oh yeah. Wow, that's excellent. Really easily drinkable.
Very drinkable.
The aromatics from the lemon and cinnamon are really nice. The pumpkin ale is really great with the apple cider. That's my favorite. That's my favorite.
Really?
Yep.
I feel like I need to taste all of them again.
All right,
so Chris is saying that this final one, the Pennywise, is his favorite, but I feel like we have to taste all of them again just to be sure.
I may have jumped the gun a little bit there. Let's be thorough and go back through. So starting from the beginning. See if that sucker came out a little bit at all in there.
It did a little bit, actually, yeah.
Starting to infuse the cocktail.
Starting to infuse the cocktail. So that was the Georgie.
Okay. Georgie's still good. I still like it. It's still a light drink.
Okay. And that's the Dancing Clown.
Okay.
Which is so weird. That one is like, you just get this like waft of buttered popcorn and then you have a sweet drink. It's interesting.
Yeah, it is interesting.
I don't know that it's my favorite though.
No.
I hate to say this, but I think you were right.
Oh, I love it when she says that. She says it so infrequently that I really have to enjoy these moments when it happens out loud, and I feel like I have foam on my nose. We'll see. Yeah, that's the best.
This is the winner. Well done.
Delicious, well-balanced. Huge fan of that one. So now we have our set cocktail. Can't wait for it. It's going to be fun.
Yeah.
Thanks everybody. We hope you enjoyed the video. We certainly enjoyed filming it. It's always nice to drink at work. Check out the recipes. The links are below. And when you do, be sure to come back and leave which one was your favorite if you try it at home. We're really interested to see which one rises to the top. Also, be sure to show some love to those folks who are generous enough to allow us to use these recipes in our video.
Absolutely. And of course, if you did like this video, we'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see even more wonderful cooking content. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram. Halloween, we will be sharing all of the delicious food that we're making and of course our favorite cocktail here.
Sláinte.